I am stuck. It's okay. I'm gonna mount the table the other way around. Fantastic. I am now gonna try to risk my life here for your entertainment. And ladies and gentlemen, before I die, I'd like to tell you my last word. My last word is, if you see me falling down on the floor, please do not just stand right there and look at me like this. Oh my goodness, it's falling down her. Please do something, yeah? You may call for the ambulance, because I actually haven't done this before. I've seen it on a YouTube last night. Thanks for laughing. So if I fall down, please do something. Here we go. And by the way, hands up if you believe that I can do this. Yes, not bad. Hands up if you don't believe that I can do this. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Hands up if you don't really care what I'm doing. You bastard. It's okay. I will do it anyway. And before I do this, I just want to thank my volunteer here. Shall you put the phone down? Come here and shake hand. People, give it up to my beautiful volunteer here. It's absolutely amazing. Give me your hand, buddy. Fantastic. Thank you, buddy. You are amazing and very, very brave, yeah? Do you know what, buddy? Shaking a hand is not enough. I've got something for you. I am gonna give you a little prize, yeah? Here we go. Do you know why I'm gonna give you the money? It's because you came out here, you helped me to entertain all these people. You made them laugh. You are a DJ. You did a great job. People, should I give him the money? Come on, audience, should I give him the money? Does he deserve to get paid? And do you believe if anybody else come up here and entertain you, she'll be paid as well? I hope you're getting a message. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give Charlie £5. Yeah, £5 everyone, because he is brilliant. £5 for Charlie. Charlie, take the money, buddy. Thank you very much. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Here we go. Charlie, come back. You see the helmet? Please give it to me, huh? Pass me the helmet. For a safety reason, I'm going to have to wear the helmet because it is very windy today. Here we go. I am now going to have to wear the helmet. It's so windy today and it's real cold. Here we go. Perfect. Charlie, put the money in the pocket. This is London. Gonna try this. One last simple question to everybody. Have you enjoyed the show? Yeah. Oh God, 2 people. One more time, everybody, have you enjoyed the show? Yeah. Fantastic. And ladies and gentlemen, my name is Juma, and I'm a professional street performer. I'm gonna have to say this quickly because I don't want anyone to leave. People, this is my job, this is my living. Unfortunately, I do not get paid to perform here, but the only people that pays me to do this are your kindness and your generosity. At the end of the show, I'm gonna be standing right here, holding my hat like this, asking for your contribution, yeah? You're not laughing anymore, are you? But people, if you don't know how much to give, just remember what that little boy has just got. Ladies and gentlemen, if you come up with £5, I will thank you. If you give me £10, you will make my day. Seriously, audience, this is my job. This is how I support my family. At the end, if you come up with £20, I will come home with you. You've been a lovely crowd. Thank you very much for watching my show. Have a good time. Thank you for stopping and watch. Thank you for not just turning your back and walk away. You are a really nice audience. Here we go. Charlie, you see the phone, unplug it and give me the phone. Thank you. Watch. Yeah, stop. Stop. Pull the cable. Pull the, yeah, pull the cable. Yeah, now stop. Yeah, pull the cable from your hand. Yeah, pull. Unplug it. Unplug it. Yeah, pull. Yeah, oops, no, Charlie. That's push. Pull. Good. Yes. Pass me the phone. Don't worry, buddy. One day you're gonna make a woman happy. Here we go. Charlie, yeah, don't touch on the head. Yeah, good. Wait, yeah. I change music for the finale. You plug it back on, then you go back to your family if they are still there. Charlie, don't touch. Wait. Put the cable down. Yeah, take the phone. Yeah, don't touch on the screen. Yeah, just plug it back on. Put the cable. Don't touch on the screen. Push. There we go. Harder again. Push. Brilliant thing. Yeah, wait. That's it. Put it there. There you go. Thank you, my friend. Wait. Oh, wait. People, this is a really dangerous trick I'm gonna try to do. I just need a little silence. Then if you see my feet up in the air, please start clapping, yeah? Because I won't be able to ask you to clap. If I'm still alive, I'm gonna be standing right here. Remember, I am allergic to 1p or 2p's. If you can't spend it, neither can I. If you don't have money, don't worry. I have a card reader. It's working. Charlie, music. waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been all over crowd. Please don't just run away like those tight people. Before you leave, before you go, before you leave, before